I earned $33 in just 3 days of joining this new trending app called Glow Life. And yes, you heard me right, in just 3 days. I did not accumulate this money in a week or thereabout. Now, this was me the first day that I joined. I was able to earn $10 in just the first day, the second day $10, and the third day making it $33. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did to earn that much. Now, this is my host already that joined Blue Life just yesterday, and she's already loving this app. Trust me, there's nobody that will watch this video tutorial to the end that will not be glad that they watch this video.
So I would advise you to like this video now, because trust me, you are going to really love this particular video tutorial. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Yes, it is totally free to subscribe. You are not paying any money, because by doing so you are telling YouTube that this is a good content, and they are going to push it out to a whole lot number of persons that need money making apps just like this. So let's get started.
Video disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. I do not guarantee any earnings. Your results will depend on your effort, your experience, and how much time you put in into this app. This is not a financial advice, right? So this is just me sharing my honest review on how this app works and how you can literally make money for yourself using this app. So this is how you're going to get started on this app.
Basically how to sign up here. So once you tap on the link that you're going to be finding in the pinned comment section or in my WhatsApp group, once you tap on it, it's going to take you to your browser like this. Then you tap on get it on Play Store. Yeah, you tap on get it on Google Play. Then they are going to redirect you to your Play Store where they ask you to download. So this is the name of the app. It is called Glow Life. All you have to do is just install the app. So you guys, once you're done downloading, this is the next step to take. This is the app that we just finished downloading. You can see this is Glow Life. So what is tap on it like this, and it's going to open. You allow notification. Now this is what you're going to see once you register. Try network is bad. You go back to your profile, then you log in. Tap on this. Wait, you tap on this profile icon here. This profile icon, then you log in. Okay, so they'll ask you to log in with Google and Google only. Tap on login with Google. It will bring out the list of emails that you have. You pick the particular one that you want to make use of. Once you get, after picking your email, this is what you're going to see. Do you understand? So you change your username. Just pick anything. If you want to put your name, it is fine. If you want to put maybe let's just say Mavis, it's still okay. Then you pick your gender. Pick your gender. Your gender is female, right? Then add a picture, but it's not that important. You can see this is the agency code itself. Do not touch this place. You can see here where they said invitation code. That is an agency code, not a random invitation code. Don't touch it. Just tap on register. Okay, they say we need to add a picture. So you can just pick anything. You can see, then you register. It is uploading. Let's wait for it to finish uploading. Okay, now you are in the app. You can see welcome to the agency, Stephanie Agency. That is it. Once you download straight from this link, you must get this. In fact, you are definitely going to, you must get it. It's not even like you must get that message itself if you download straight from the link. But if you did not download straight from the link, that is when they are going to be asking you to bind the invitation code and all of that. Do you understand? Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So can see here, look at what they said here. They said join the guild, welcome to join the Stephanie Agency guide. They said please go to your personal center live broadcast data to check if you have any question, right? This is to show that you have already joined the agency. No need to be adding your agency code. Now this is what you need to know, right? If let's say maybe you use that link and you did not get this message, this particular message, now this Stephanie Agency, just know that you are not yet in the agency. That's why you need to use the particular link to register. But just in case probably you joined and maybe you're not getting that message.
Now this is what you ought to do. You go back to your profile. If you go to your profile below here where you're seeing official service, view authentication and my guide, if this is what you see on your own profile when you register, just know that you are not yet in the agency. Do you understand? If you see official service, view authentication, my guide, know that you are not in the agency. So what are you going to do? You tap on this my guide, which is the third one that you're seeing there. So now once you tap on this my guide, so once it opens, this is what you're going to see like this. Now all you have to do is pause this video, take a screenshot of this agency code, then you paste it there. Once you paste it there, you're going to see the name of our agency, Stephanie Agency, just like this with this particular picture. Then you request to join and go offline. Wait for me to approve you. So once immediately after you might have sent a request, you join our WhatsApp group and let me know that you sent a request so I can approve you. While those of you that are going to be making use of the link that are going to be added to the agency automatically, continue following this step.
Let me show you guys something. All you have to do next is tap here. You can see this my guide. Once you tap on it, you are going to see that you are already in the agency itself. No need to be sending invitation code no more, right? So what to do next? You need to do your face verification. And you can only do your face verification when you come to your reward. Once you tap on your reward, you tap on this go. Here where they said go. Why using this app? Why using this app? Can you see this? They will ask you to do your face verification, which is the first thing that you need to do. Then you tap on this, go to authenticate and verify your face. Set a password. This password, they said complete account password setup. This password is what you need when you want to withdraw your money. So put 6 passwords that you can remember. Then afterwards, whenever I am live, this is the way to know that yes, your agency is on live. Just come back to this particular place. You tap on guide. Let's go to my page. You can see this. All you have to do is, okay, you are already following me. Whenever I come live, you are going to be getting the message that I am live, and all you have to do is just join.
So you guys, I announced in our WhatsApp group that okay, I am live, come and join her and claim your free tag. This is how to do it. You come to your profile like this. Now I am using mine as an example. Do you get? You come to your profile, you tap on this particular place that this arrow is pointing at. It is going to take you to this interface. Yeah, then you tap on this guide. You can see guide. Please don't mind this top tier agency boss that you can see. It is because I am already an agent on this app, but your own, you will just see this guide. All you just have to do is just tap on this guide, and once you tap on the guide, you are going to see if I am live. Here that you can see Stephanie Agency, and any of this my picture here that you're seeing, you are going to be seeing that red sign that I am live, and all you just have to do is tap on it to join the live, and you stay for 2 hours and claim your 100k point. It is just that simple, right? So let me show you guys how the interface of this live looks like. Now take note, this is not a live streaming app. No, you don't go live here. You are not even showing your face or talking to anybody. All you just have to do is join and you mute your mic and you're going to end. It's that simple, right?
If you're getting value from this video, do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel so that you can be seeing more money making updates like this, and leave a thank you in the comment section. Now let me show you guys another way to earn from this particular app.
This is basically the second way to earn on this particular platform, right? So once you go back to your home page like this, you tap on your wallet. This wallet button that you're seeing here, once you tap on your wallet, this is what you're going to see, right? Now you can see I have 8,000 coins right now because I've spent a lot of coins. This place here now that you're seeing this minus 5,000 coins that is in red, that is the coin that I've used to gift myself. So you can as well accumulate coins in this app and use that coin to gift yourself to earn points, right? Now let me explain something, but you can withdraw your points. So let me show you guys how to get free coins from this particular app. Now all you have to do is come back to your profile, tap on reward. Yes, this arrow button is pointing at. Once you tap on reward, it is going to open up this interface for you. Now from my own end, you can see here that they said I should claim reward. Means now once you get 10 new followers in this particular app, you're going to be given 20,000. Sorry, you're going to be given 2,000 coins for free. Once you get up to 50 followers, you're going to be given 2,000 coins for free. So this is basically extra way to make money here, right? Now, secondly, let me tell you guys something. This is one thing about this app. As long as you have more than 20, 30, 40, 50 followers, this is more like a daily tax. Every day you are going to be claiming 2,000 points, 2,000 points. Do you understand? Not you gaining fresh new 10 followers every day. No, as long as you've gained those particular amount of followers every day, all you just have to do is come back here and tap on claim, and you claim your free 4,000 coins, and you can use that coin to gift yourself. Like I said, you cannot withdraw coin, but you can withdraw points. So how do you convert your coin to points? Whenever you join life, whenever I post that, okay, come and join life and do your tax, you cannot use that coin to gift yourself and earn points. Do you understand what I'm saying? So if you're here and you know that you are an agent, or you want to become an agent, like you have people that you can recruit, now take note, this app is for both genders, whether male or female, you are going to earn the same thing, right? So if you know that you have people that you can recruit and you want to become an agent, this particular app, do well to drop in the comment section, please, I want to become an agent and I'm going to attend to you. Or you tap on the link to join my WhatsApp group, then you send me a DM directly on WhatsApp telling me that you want to become an agent, and I am definitely going to add you as an agent. So this is how much my hosts have been able to earn since they started. Now you can see like 50k points here in our water. You can see they are earning a lot of money here just by performing their simple audio tags, not even a live stream. Like, if my host from Philippines and Indonesia are not left out, you can see withdrawing $10 straight to her Gcash just by performing simple audio tags. You guys don't even miss out on this particular one. Like, which one should one say? Or do I talk about my own withdrawal that I made yesterday, which is $30, and I was able to receive it in my USDT wallet? Now take note, you can withdraw to your OPay here, you can withdraw to your PalmPay. This one, she withdrew $10 already, and look at it here in our agency. Bit of being in my WhatsApp group, because I am going to be always updating the group from time to time, telling you guys the new thing, like the new trick that is on board, what you should do and what to do, and how to help you. And now this is what a host told me today. So this was what she said. You can pause this video to read what she said, and trust me, see, this is one of the benefits of being under a good agency. As long as you are under my agency, whenever I am going to the app to go and start live streaming, I am going to tell everybody, and I am that agent that carries everybody along to make sure that you're earning. So let me show you guys how you can withdraw your money from this particular app. So you go over to your reward section. Now it is still on coin, then you change it to points, which is the place where this arrow sign is pointing, right? So once you change it to points, you're going to see something like this. You input the amount that you want to withdraw: $10, $20, $30, $50, $100, and $200, right? So once you input the amount, then you tap on please select to select your country. Now if you're in Nigeria, you can select Nigeria, but if you're in Cameroon, Kenya, Philippines, Indonesia, any other country that is not Nigeria, if it's not here, I would advise you to just tap on USD, tap on United States, right? So if you're in Nigeria, once you tap on Nigeria, you pick OP or PalmPay, then you add the account number that you want to make use of. But just in case you don't want to withdraw to your local bank, you want to keep it in USDT, then I would advise you to pick America as the country that you want to withdraw in. Then you can now withdraw to your ePay, your USDT, or your Binance. So for my Cameroon, Ghana, Philippines, and Indonesia friends, you don't have to worry. All you just have to do is pick United States USD as your country, then add your ePay wallet, your USDT, or your Binance. But if you don't have a Binance wallet or a USDT or an ePay, do well to drop. Please create a video on how to create any withdrawal gateway that you want. Whether you want an ePay, I'm going to create a step-by-step tutorial video on how to create any of these wallets so that you can withdraw your money successfully and then convert it to your local bank account. So guys, we have come to the end of today's video. If there is any question you have, or if there's anything that you don't understand, do well to drop it in the comment section and I'm going to reply to you immediately, right? So see you guys in the inside in my WhatsApp group for more info and more updates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Peace out.